What's going on, folks? Welcome back to another episode of the Daily ASIN Teardown with me, and only me, right now. Johnny with PickFu. What is that? What is that? One is all. I think that's how you say the brand name here. Pet grooming vacuum brush. Now, instantly I showed this to my wife, and I said, what is this? She goes, oh, that's a vacuum for picking up dog hair. And I said, aha, I knew it. Because that's what I thought it was at first, too. But then when you take a look a little bit further, this is one that you actually groom the dog with, where it's putting it on the dog and stuff like that. So while the rest of the images are pretty good, this image doesn't say exactly what it is. Now, one could assume if you're looking for this kind of stuff, you know what it is. But again, I come with the receipts, and we'll get to that in a second. But it's not clear on what exactly it is or the value prop. We got some cool dogs back here, but do we need two dogs? Or could we do one dog and a box? Some sort of value prop here. But let's take a look at the rest of the images here. No need to clean up, no stray hairs, powerful, 10,000 PA suction. What's that? What's 10,000 PA? Is that better than 5,000 PA? Is it not as good as 20,000 PA? I don't know what that means. 99% hair removal. From the dog? Then there would be balds, right? You want to be a little bit clearer. Loose hair. I like this here, before, after. But what happens with it? Does it suck back inside? And it says saves you a ton of hassle. What kind of hassle? What does that look like? And maybe they'll get to it in a second. Quiet as a whisper massage. Your pet won't say no. Sounds a little creepy. A little creepy. Pet won't say no. Pets don't talk. Low vibration, super quiet. I like that. Okay. Conversation, hair dryer. Okay. I like this. I wish this was a little bit bigger to make that really, really clear about where it stands between sounds. I think that speaks more volumes than this. Become a better pet mom. All right, well, I'm not a mom, so it's not for me. Just saying. Pet parent, pet owner. Suck up, groom all in one, save on grooming salon expenses. What's a typical grooming salon cost versus your product that's $79? Could I potentially save in cost of one trip to the salon alone? That's what I want to know. I do like the before and afters. Although they do look like AI, I'm not going to lie. Which is okay, but what is this one called? So 4 tools. So what is this one for? Why use this one and not this one? And is this for people, not the dog? I don't know. Easy disassembly and cleaning. One pet done in one go. Okay, large, I like that. I don't like those purple lines coming out of it. Is it like UV lights? Is it sanitizing or something like that? Because that's what that kind of looks like. Suitable for multiple pets. All right. What about cats? We say pet. If it's just for dogs, why don't you say dog in the title? But if it is for animals or pets outside of dogs, why are we not showing different pets here? Why are we not showing the long-haired cats? Why are we not showing, I don't know, someone's grooming their rooster? You're tripling down on dogs, which is okay, but you're not saying dog in the title, which is weird. Just my 2 cents. Let's see. The title I just said you need to work on as far as putting the dog name in there, or the phrase. Bullet points look pretty good. I'm not going to chew those apart. I will say it is rough having a brand name that's lowercase. I think we talked about that before. Just keep that in mind when you're building a brand. This guy looks happy. One is all founded in 2008. Focus on creating products. I'm willing to bet this is China Direct, just by the way it's sounding. What do you know? Just because you could just tell it doesn't sound native English, American speaking, which is okay. But, we have ChatGPT. You could run it through there and make it sound way better. So 24 hours customer service. Well, that's Amazon. So that's not about your brand, right? Everyone gets that. A surprise gift for pet owners. What's the gift? So this doesn't really tell me about what you do and how you solve your problems, and it's just leaving me a lot to be desired. I don't trust it. I don't trust when someone tells me a surprise gift and 24 hours customer service. This is Amazon. I know I'm getting all that kind of stuff. Well, not the surprise gift, but I know I'm getting the customer service. All right, so into the A+ content. No cleaning needed, just a clean home for you. What? No cleaning your home? 10,000 PA suction, 3 adjustable levels, 99.9% removal rate. Before, after. He just looks wet before. So I want to see the hair everywhere. I want to see how to open it and change it. I want to know what those attachments are for. Low noise, low vibration compared to what? 5.2 feet extended hose. Doesn't look that long. Maybe a better angle would help showcase that. Quiet as a library? I don't know. Almost silent. We're really focused on like the quietness of it. But talk about what the competitor is like. Is the competitor loud? Here, perfect. We get to the old way and your way. So you first versus this. This is a really good image that you need to have at the top in the photo stack because people might not get here, but this is powerful. This is painful. It's painful to look at all this hair from this cute dog all over the place. But it's refreshing to see I don't have to worry about cleaning all that stuff up. Easy to use. You didn't show me how to unlock it. You didn't show me how to turn it on. Yeah, I don't care about influencers that are probably fake. You know, David, Tammy, Sarah. Who's that? Doesn't mean anything to me. Slicker brush. All right, now we're talking about the brushes. De-shedding brush. Long nose vacuum. Okay, so you can use it on the actual couch, but you don't talk about that in clothes. So you don't really talk about that up here, where you're talking about ways to use it, right? So this is the slicker brush, or this is this, or this. Show what that means and why I would use that and what kind of dog. Like, these dogs look the same. There's really no difference. So I don't know when I would use this or when I would use this. But then also talk about the couch. You talk about couch cleaning as well at the bottom, but we don't talk about that here. So you want to do that. Oh, now we get into disassembly and cleaning. But again, people might not get this far down. Easy to wash, groom in one go. Note, dry the filter thoroughly before reinstallation of the machine. Yeah, duh. You don't want a wet filter. That's gross. See this. Slicker, de-shedding, crevice. This, compile this into a photo stack image in your image stack. This is the most compelling thing, I think, because this is telling me how to use it for what the name of it is, right? There's so many modules in this A+. All hair type, gear 1. So you spread everything all out. Gear 1 is ideal for sensitive pets and cats. Oh, we had a cat down here. But where the hell's a cat over here? You're not talking to me about cats over here. So you got to be really purposeful with what we're saying. And if it is for cats, say pet grooming for, long-haired cats and dogs, long-haired dogs, short-haired dogs, shedding dogs, whatever it is. But say that over here. Now, if I take a look at some alt text, I'm scared. I'm scared. Let's take a look. Dog grooming kit, dog grooming vacuum, pet grooming vacuum. Yeah, you can lean into the alt text more. You have to. You just have to. Now, kitties, I come with receipts. I don't just talk out of my handsome face. Like I asked my wife, I said, hey, what do you think of this? And we got some PickFu with it, right? So we have some PickFu saying, if you were shopping on Amazon and saw this image, would you know exactly what this product is and does? So folks said, yep, it's pretty self-explanatory. Grooming kit for pets. If it didn't have the picture of the animals, it might be a different story. It's a dog grooming machine. Okay. No, something for dogs, but can't tell from the picture. Air, wind, air conditioning fan. I don't know. I would know exactly what it is. It's a pet cleaner for carpets and sofas. That's what I thought it was. So clearly this person, if they clicked on the image, would be a little bit unhappy because that's really not the main intent of the product. Vacuum designed to pick up animal hair fur, also to steam clean and power clean when an animal has an accident. No, it doesn't do that. It don't do that. Let's see here. It's a carpet shampoo. Nope. think it's a vacuum or a hair cutter. Looks like it has things to cut the fur or hair shorter. Dog grooming machine, shampooer, blower. Does not hurt the dog. Sucks up pet hair. So you can see here, it's not clear. Some people get it, some people don't. But if you know, you know, and if you don't, you don't. You know what I'm saying? So guys, if you liked anything we were talking about here today, you see how we looked at the ASIN, we tore it down. We said the good, the bad, the ugly. And then we had the receipts. We brought the PickFu data in here because I want to know that I'm not cuckoo bird soupy. That's just something I say, cuckoo bird soupy. Don't ask. With how I'm thinking. So I validate my thoughts with the PickFu. And if you're thinking to yourselves, John, that's really great. I love it. I don't have a creative designer. I don't have time. I have a 9-to-5. I'm hustling. I'm doing this kind of stuff. This is my side gig. But I like what you have to say. We got you. Don't worry about it. We have our done for you service. PickFu done for you. DFY as the cool kids call it. And then we're going to go out there and do all those polls, that whole series of polls that we need to see. Competitive research analysis, validation, iteration, all that kind of good stuff. And then our designers are going to come back and give you the best main hero image that's a data-backed image for you to make more money on Amazon. Fair? I think it's pretty fair. But anyway, guys, that has been another episode of the Daily ASIN Teardown, powered by PickFu. My name's John, and tomorrow is Thirsty Thursday. So I think we're going to do something with beverages. Who knows what we're going to do? We'll see you guys on the Flippy Floppy.